Designated by Congress as the official World War II Museum of the United States, the National World War II Museum is located in downtown New Orleans on a 6-acre campus, where 5 soaring pavilions house historical exhibits, on-site restoration work, a period dinner theater, and restaurants. Step inside with a general admission ticket, and then spend as long as you like exploring this must-visit attraction independently. Discover thousands of World War II memorabilia and artifacts, and learn all about wartime events from the museum's information displays. Travelers should have at least a moderate level of physical fitness. Wheelchair accessible. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.